Why can't they understand the way we feel? They just don't trust what they can't explain. I know we're different, but deep inside us, we're not that different at all. You'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Don't listen to them, 'cause what we know, we need each other to have to hold. They'll see in time. I know when destiny calls you, you must be strong. I may not be with you, but you got to hold on. They'll see in time. I know we'll show them together, but you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. You'll be in my heart, no matter what they say. You'll be here in my heart, always, always. I'll be with you. I'll be there for you always, and always. Just look over your shoulder. Just look over your shoulder. Thank you so much. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much, Miss Sky. Wow, I'm as starstruck as you guys. Ang ganda, flawless. First of all, how are you today, Miss Sky?
Well, I'm feeling great. I know everyone is feeling great because this is the very launching of Kiwi Skin. Congratulations!
Thank you so much. Actually, may binaon ako ng mga questions dito for you. Okay, so the first one is, how does it feel to be part of the Kiwi Skin family? Because you're now an endorser and this incredible celebration of femininity and transformation. Because this is definitely something new for Kiwi Skin, right?
Of course, I feel thankful. Thank you for choosing me to be a part of your journey into this world of journey. Kaya I feel so honored kasi to represent a product is already a big responsibility, but to represent Kiwi Skin, which empowers women and men and everyone, and especially the Philippines or maybe world if you guys are into that. Pero I feel so great na accomplish nila para endorse Sir for their very new product.
Yeah, thank you so much. Actually, I super agree to that, what you said, na this is not just for women, but for everyone. Kung nakikita niyo yung ads ng Kiwi Skin, hindi lang women ilang doon, even men and everyone's there consuming their products, whether nakaglutathione from before, and also the Pro Sunscreen, and right now, this new product that we will be talking about in a bit. So the second one is, if you could describe your goddess era in 3 words, what would they be and why?
If I were to describe my goddess era, empowering. I feel so empowered right now. Powerful. I feel powerful because I'm empowered. And confident.
Ayan, those 3 words actually relates to the new product of Kiwi Skin. That's why I also invite invite to the stage the CEO and founder, Miss Penelope and Miss Claire, to come up on stage for the press interview. Photo op
Check natin mamaya.
of the three beautiful women. Thank you so much. Ayan, ready na ba kayo sa mga questions? Ang dami talaga nito, guys. Makakabot tayo until tonight. Okay. Huwag naman. Baka mag-extend kasi yung pino ng bibiskin. Okay. So, sa dito na lang natin yung gagawin. I'm gonna first ask Miss Pen, Miss Claire, and then Miss Kai. So, we have questions from the press. Okay, first, actually curious na ako dito, no? Kasi although I see your products on Shopee and on TikTok, readily available and very accessible. My question for Ms. Pen and Ms. Claire, what's the history of Hibiskin? Paano ba ito nagsimula? And maybe you could also share a story between your friendship, paano kayo nag-start?
So, Hibiskin originally came from Greek goddess of youth, Hebe. So, kaya po Hibiskin kasi syempre, we have to age gracefully talaga. So, before, mag-isa lang ako noon. But now, I am with the team. So, kasama ko na, albert kami ng B1G Corporation. So, kasama ko na si Claire, din ako, at may mga partners na kami.
So, paano siya nag-start? Like, bakit mo naisipin na, oh, I want to launch a skincare product?
Kasi pangarap ko talaga magkaroon ng skincare product. And hindi ko alam kung ano ba dapat yung kakaiba. So, syempre, nagkaroon ako ng sarili kong brand, yung pinag-isipan ko. So, nag-search ako sa internet, yung Greek goddess of youth yung lumabas. Kaya doon kami nag-start na lahat pinararel namin. So, kailangan premium, it's gold, kaya premium. And of course, very accessible and very affordable.
Thank you so much. Actually, with what you mentioned sa last sentence mo, na very premium and affordable, I have a follow-up question to that, but in a bit. Now for Miss Kai, my question for you, since you're getting this huge endorsement and it's such an achievement for you, especially as someone as young as you are, my question would be, like, for Curve White Coffee, how do you incorporate it in your day-to-day life?
Well, as a newfound artist now, we undergo so many preparations for upcoming projects and shoots, most especially mga shoots talaga. Yun yung matagal matapos mga shoots. And usually it would end very late at night, or sometimes I would have to wake up so early in the morning to get the shoot done. And usually it would last hours to finish. Kaya I don't think it would be hard to incorporate Curve White into this work and what I do, kasi it's a natural instinct for me to look for it, especially if madaming workload ang gagawin na ganyan. And not only does it keep me awake, in my age of 18 years old, kailangan kong hindi lang dapat palaging tired looking or whatever like that. Kasi in Curve White, not only does it keep you awake, no? It also, yes, it makes you young. So feeling fresh.
That's true. Actually, thank you for mentioning about coffee and making you feel awake. Kasi ang problem ko recently with coffee, dehydrated ako palagi with coffee, diba? But with Curve White, this is something that I'm actually excited to try. That not just, syempre, dehydration can cause you dullness in the skin. But with Curve White coffee, this is something na makakapag-flow from within. So I'm really excited for this product. Ayan, so my next question for Miss Pen and Miss Claire. So actually, nabasa ko yung ingredients kanina. Ako talaga nag-consume ako ng ashwagandha. And I'm so excited for this one. Specifically for ashwagandha in coffee. Diba? Sure, minsan kasi nakaka-trigger ng stress levels ko yung coffee. For this one, for Curve White, how did you come up with this coffee with a certain ingredient that was mentioned earlier, like ashwagandha? Does it have that to be beneficial for any person who would drink it? Like, what would be the benefits? And any age ba? Like, for example, say, she's 18. But what's the minimum age for this one if you're gonna drink this product?
Actually, it is designed talaga for adults, no? But as early as 16, you can take naman yun. But, kaya kami naglagay ng ashwagandha sa coffee because nakakalimutan kasi ng mga tao na ang taas na ng rate natin ng may mga mental health issues. And alam niyo po ba na ang ashwagandha ay nakakatulong sa brain health natin? So, naglagay kami nito dahil kailangan, importante po sa amin ang well-being, mental health, at overall ng isang tao. So, dapat hindi ka lang maganda, kailangan healthy ka, mentally and physically.
Actually, thank you so much for mentioning that because I've been trying different products also. And this is the first time, walang biro, first time ko makarinig ng holistic beauty, yung a local beauty brand. So thank you so much for inventing this product. Okay, so for Miss Guy, for you, what does it mean to be a face or muse of products that promotes health and boosting confidence and holistic beauty?
Well, for me, endorsing a product, as I said kanina, is already a big responsibility. But to stand on a brand such as Beauty Skin that has so much to stand for, not only empowering, youthfulness, health, parang that's an up on me. Because as an endorser, not only am I presenting their brand, but I also have to be their brand, what they stand for. Am I healthy? No. Am I? So I have to implement that in my real life, being able to properly endorse this product. So very inspiring. I'm glad to be endorsing this product. Mas nakaka-encourage siya for me to be better.
Thank you so much, Ayan. Actually, Ayan, sa mga youth nyo, syempre you're very young. Nung 18 ako, parang never ko naisip itong holistic beauty na to. So that's why I'm having a vision now kung bakit ikaw yung pinili ng BB Skin. So actually, connecting it to the next question from the press also, bakit si Kai ang pinili niyong endorser for Curve White Coffee?
Actually, si Kai, siya talaga top of mind na. Yes. Siya yung clear standout among all our choices. Siya talaga, kaya mag-technology together. Yes. Kasi we chose her as the face of Curve White Coffee. She perfectly embodies yung face of the brand natin. So very perfect for her. Kasi, ano yung confidence, and yung beauty from the day. So,
Thank you so much for that, Miss Claire. Ayan, so before I forget, so the previous questions came from John Bueno of Humangkao.com and Push ABS-CBN of Nika Sabio. Ayan, thank you so much for that question. Okay, the next question from Kate Adahar of RandomRepublica.com. So, for Miss Tan and Miss Claire naman to, with so many brands coming up with similar products, I'm curious talaga rin ako dito, what was the key success that led you to have a celebrity endorser? So, bakit celebrity endorser? Bakit hindi influencer?
So, first off kasi, we focus talaga on really consumer needs. Backed up yung products namin with science. It's not just trends. So while many brands yung chase yung viral, we prioritize what's vital. So, formulas that addresses actual skin concerns, And because of that, it led to demand. And then, when it came to getting a celebrity endorser, which is Sky, it wasn't about chasing clout to it. It was about aligning with someone who believes in our vision, same results that we want. So, just like our customers.
Thank you so much, Ms. Claire, for that. I like what you said of being intentional with choosing an endorser, not just for the cloud. Okay, for Ms. Sky naman, this is from Kate Adahar of randomrepublica.com. So the brand says it is designed to inspire confidence from within. Ayan, Miss Universe question to ang tanong na to. Ready ka na ba?
Grabe na pa.
Ayan. Ikaw, how did you gain confidence as a young woman? I would really love to hear your answer as an 18-year-old. Have you always been confident as a child? Please give us tips to the young women who are watching right now.
Okay. I'm very proud and fortunate to say that I grew up confident. Hindi kasi yan nagsastart sa'yo eh. Nagsastart yan sa foundation mo as a kid. Your surroundings, your guardians, your parents, your family, how you're brought up. That's a big factor on your confidence, your self-esteem, and how you are as a person. Kaya, sa mga tao that are having a hard time with confidence, if you guys weren't brought up to believing in yourself or confidence itself, I would very much want you to believe in yourself first before you judge yourself. Because, believe it or not, there are times where I struggle with self-esteem and confidence. Yes, believe it or not, I have my moments where I feel, am I deserving of what I have? Am I deserving of what people think of me? Am I really this high? Meron talagang times, pero that's okay because it's a humbling experience. And I believe that it's fine to think that you have your down moments, but never normalize feeling down. You know, you have to assess why you feel that way. Tapos, you see what's good about you. You may not be like everyone else, but there is something different about you. And you should cherish that difference that you have from amongst the people that are around you, because that's what's going to make you unique. And if someone's going to bring you down for that uniqueness that you have, embrace it, because that's what's going to make you stronger and feel more confident about yourself. Kaya, know yourself before you know others. And I thank you.
Thank you so much, ayan. Miss Universe candidate for 2028, ayan. Miss Sky. Malapit na, ayan. Thank you so much for that, ayan. Actually, I'm really impressed with what you said. Hindi ako ganyan, 18 ako. Pero batchmate na kayo dapat eh. We're batchmates. Awesome. And thank you so much. Okay, and for Miss Pan and Miss Claire, ito naman. I'm so excited for your inputs for this one. So, what unique benefits? Na-mention na kanina yung mga unique benefits. But then, how does this set apart from the other competitors that you guys have in the market?
So, aside from, we have a high dosage of S-acetylglutathione, a high dosage of hydrolyzed myelin collagen. We also put mangosteen in our coffee because we do believe that being fair, being young looking skin is not enough. We also put ashwagandha, as I said before. Kasi kailangan mo talaga hindi ka lang maganda, hindi ka lang maputi. Kailangan healthy ka inside and out. At syempre, kailangan mentally healthy ka talaga. So, kami lang yung coffee na nag-position na dapat hindi lang puro pampaganda, hindi lang puro pampaslim. Kailangan talaga, at the end of the day, healthy ka.
Thank you so much for that. Actually, I super agree to that. Holistic skincare talaga is a must, especially nowadays. Kasi, di ba, minsan kahit anong makeup ko, minsan pangit yung skin ko. And that's because of what I consume. Yeah. Not because of usually external factors, but mostly what you consume. So, thank you so much for this. Okay, now jumping to Miss Sky again. So, for Curve White Coffee, as an ambassador for this one, ano yung mga benefits na nakikita mo when you consume this product?
Well, aside from the benefits that they have already said, I think this can benefit me in a way. Yung iba sa sinabi ko it will keep me awake. Iba din yun. Because that's a benefit already, no? To stay awake. Kasi, grabe, if you're a workaholic, grabe ang matutulong ng coffee sa'yo. Kaya, aside from that naman, grabe din ang benefits ng, ano yun? Yung ashwagandha. Kasi, that's actually my first time hearing na ashwagandha is healthy pala and promotes, yes, it's healthy for the brain. So, I actually have never heard of a product na coffee na nakakalusog ng brain. So, I was like, oh, wow, this is really good. Kasi, as somebody who really bring importance to mental health, emotional health, and not just physical health, kasi, I like to think, I'm a person who always thinks, so if down ako, my whole mood for the rest of the day is just down. Kaya I really bring importance to my mental health and emotional health and make sure I feel good, not just look good. So that's very, first time ko yung narinig na very healthy pala siya sa brain. So I'm very impressed that that came from coffee. So, yun ang benefit. Not only am I good looking, but I will be feeling good as well. No? Can I help?
Bigyan ng PR. Thank you so much. Lahat daw sa kanya, ako dito Miss Ben. Alam mo na. Ayan, thanks for that. Actually, super cute what you said. To feel good, to look good, you have to feel good. And relating it to ashwagandha, actually when I started thinking of ashwagandha kasi, yung cortisol levels ko bumaba. So yung confidence of my face, nabawasan din. Unlike coffee lang before kasi yung tinitake ko, namamaga talaga yung face ko, nag-bloat siya. Kasi caffeine actually promotes bloating of the face, diba? But for this one, with Curve White Coffee, wala nang bloating, guys. And no to dehydration. So thank you so much for this. Ayan, by the way, this question pala is from Albert Ryan Abelido of the Chicanes. Okay, so for the next question, diba? I told you guys, na natin tanong for Miss Calagan and Miss Claire. So can you share any misconceptions about skincare and how would you want to correct them? Siguro a good example for this, diba? Minsan pag nag-scroll tayo sa TikTok, minsan nakikita tayo ng, ay, wag mong iinumin yan, ay, wag yan. So maybe for your white coffee, ano yung mga common misconceptions na i-address natin? Yeah, for the whole skincare.
Actually, kasi misconception natin, skincare isn't just about routines It's a lifestyle. It's a whole lifestyle. So Curve White Coffee supports that, like from the inside out, like what we've mentioned earlier. So yun, helping you feel fresh, glowing every day.
Yeah. So in order to look good, you have to feel good and consume the right products. Okay, so for Miss Kailaman, could you tell us how you were empowered and transformed by Hebe Skin?
Well, aside from physically looking like this right now, then I actually just had it kanina. Hindi ako nag-order, pero nag-request ako, can I have hot water and ice para matikman ko before coming here? Ayun, nagising ako. And I think it has empowered me well knowing that I'm endorsing this product. This product not only stands for empowerment, youth, confidence. I feel empowered because they chose me to be an endorser of this important product. Parang mas naisip ko sa sarili ko, okay, this is what I must set for myself. Kasi this is what I truly believe I am. But for other people to believe in me more, to have them choose me as their endorser, mas parang, ayun, You know? Mas na-feel ko, okay, this is what I am. I feel good because this is what they think of me. And thank you because, you know, I feel that validation. What I've been doing, what I've been working hard for is being seen. And thank you for that because I feel empowered.
Thank you so much for that, Miss Kim. Actually, can I be honest? I wasn't surprised that they chose you as an ambassador because glowing, fresh. Exactly! Beauty and brain. Sabi ko kanina nung 18 ako, hindi ako ganyan. Baka kasi wala akong baby skin noon. Pero meron na ngayon. So if you're 18, no, minimum of 16, pwede mag-consume. Okay, so the last, apologies for this, but the previous questions were asked by Jonelle Estilore of CinemaBravo.com and Neil Ramos of Tempo. Okay, for the next question, it's from Jan Quinto of Circle F Stars. So for Hebe Skin, as mentioned kanina by Ms. Pen, Hebe Skin emphasizes with luxury without the premium price tag. How does the brand manage to retain product quality while keeping it affordable?
Try ko kasi magtrabaho ng umaga para...
So si Pen and I, talagang pinag-usapan namin kung paano talaga ipapush yung product na affordable. Yet, syempre, mabibigay pa rin yung qualities na gusto namin ilagay ko sa produkto. So, we balance quality and affordability. Of course, by managing yung supply chain namin wisely. Yun talaga yun. Yun talaga. So, from production to both customers and direct distributors, piling-pili lang yung distributors namin. Yes, piling-pili lang talaga. So, that allows us to deliver the luxury, affordable, all in one.
Any words, Ms. Pen? Yeah, thank you so much. Actually, that was the last question for everyone. Okay, so thank you so much, Ms. Pen, Ms. Claire, and Ms. Kai. And now for Ms. Kai, the floor is open for questions from our friends in the press at the backdrop area. So yeah, feel free to go in there. Ayan, thank you so much, Ms. Pen, Ms. Claire, and then Ms. Kai. Thank you so much, everyone.